My daughter and her neighbor had you guys do work, and I just had yard envy as soon as I saw what a beautiful job was done. And so I called them. Once you have this idea and you want to get going, you don't want to wait 3 months for somebody to come back to you. So to have somebody come out, I think it was within a week. So that was very nice. Just from seeing the work that was done on those 2 yards, I realized that somebody knew what they were doing and knew what plants were appropriate in this climate and that sort of thing. Once I'd had the first interview with Noe, I knew that I wanted him to do it. He's an artist as well as a designer. I mean, he really had some great ideas, and the little bit of color, the color pops were just perfect. I think Isaac was one of the names. There was another guy, I can't remember his name, who was also nice, but they were here on time. If they were not going to be here the next day, they would tell me. If they were going to be here the next day, they'd say, no, we'll probably be here by about 10 o'clock. We have to pick up some plants first, something like that. And they were also very careful of the property and making sure that everything was just the way it was on the plans and just the way I wanted it. So professionalism, I think, is the key word. Of the 3 yards that I've seen, mine, my daughter's, and her neighbor's, they're all totally different and totally perfect. So the fact that there's a flexibility there is good too. Noe is the best thing about your company. Obviously, call around and do your research, but take a look at the photos on your website. Were a good selling point to me too. I'm really proud of the work you guys did. Well, actually, I've already recommended you to 2 friends and a neighbor down the street.